Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Vieira with the Stock Market Live.tv. We are discussing the single best market performance on the exchange as well as the single best selling short opportunities. This is precisely the case with Herbalife, a complementary live market call shared with the public, worldwide investors. And you find this live stock chart, the best live stock charts in the industry, without the need for any technical indicator. I'm going to demonstrate it. When to sell Herbalife shares, when to go short Herbalife, and you are going to make millions of dollars because, my friends, I never missed one single call in Herbalife, all right? So, live on the tape, you have Herbalife at $63.29. Bear in mind that if you want to make money on the long side as an investor, you had today John Deere. So refer to the case study that I already published in John Deere, the single best performer on the New York Stock Exchange for day trading above $87, as I'm going to show here just for your reference, all right? 87 and 60 cents traded to $88. Going back to Herbalife, my friends, this is very simple, all right? The only thing that you have to do is to follow the guidance, real time, live, and you are going to make millions of dollars without the need to use your brain. You just have to click one button, all right? I'm going to show you here where you find it. So you have this beautiful live stock chart. The title of the chart is very explicit. World Best Trader, myself, downgrades Herbalife shares. 27 years, the best historical track record in the industry, shaping markets industry. So this livestock chart was published precisely on the day that shares of Herbalife traded to $72, a little bit above $72. So what we are going to do here is precise to demonstrate this. Herbalife downgraded $72, all right? On that same day, shares they closed at $68.62. This was, well, you have the chart here, so you visit the website, the tradingview.com, and this chart is public, okay, to investors worldwide, and you are going to find also in our website the investment process that, in fact, we already discussed this in detail. In the past few years, I upgraded Herbalife to strong buy at $30, okay? You also have it here on the chart. Recently, we started to be bearish Herbalife for reasons that I'm not going to disclose here. It does not matter. What matters is that, well, live on the tape, you have $63.28, okay? So if you bought shares at $72, you are losing money in the markets, my friends. Therefore, $72, I believe it was a good price for you to sell Herbalife shares. Even if you didn't want to sell short the stock, you had the opportunity to sell Herbalife at $72, all right? So this is one of the stocks that it is more or less complicated or complex to invest in the markets, but with our real-time guidance, you find here completely impossible to lose money in Herbalife in the past few years. Don't forget that I downgraded the shares of this stock ahead of a crash all the way down to $30. In fact, I recommend to close the short position around 37. You have it on the website of the company. Before the upgrade to strong buy, precisely when Bill Ackman decided to sell short 1 million shares of Herbalife, saying that it was going down to zero. It's not going down to zero, my friends. If it was going down to zero, we joked with it and we explained to investors worldwide how to make a very vast profit as an investor in Herbalife. However, Herbalife, it is not obviously a high growth company, all right? So as it is not a high growth company, I also considered recently that one stock analyst in the United States upgrading shares to $90, well, to be a kind of scam call. Well, the kind of calls that you have in the United States, for example, upgrading shares of Tesla Motors to $500, you know, things like that. So what you have to do is precisely the opposite. When they upgrade, you sell and you go short. When they downgrade, you cover and you buy, all right? And you make money 100% of the time, all right? It is proven here, my friends. You just have to be patient and to sell short the stock or to sell your position in Herbalife. And to invest in the best companies in the world, okay? Today, you have John Deere up 14%, my friends, 14%, ahead of earning $77. reiterating a strong buy in John Deere, all right? New stock picks for the bull market, the new bull market, new all-time highs in the markets, which I call it here. And while everyone has been bearish, the markets have been covering short positions as the fastest pace in markets history. So I'm going to leave you here with Herbalife and one more case study. Don't forget to protect your positions, and if you want to know more, you have our service. Thank you and good luck. Bye-bye.